Alright, so I've never seen this before. Pulled an O2 sensor out, vehicle that's not running anymore, blew the motor. We're changing the motor, and this is what I found. Upstream O2 sensor. That's the upstream O2 sensor. I got a funny feeling they ran the exhaust unbelievably hot, probably melted valves and everything else. Who knows what the original problem was. So, but we dropped the cat out and checked this out. Didn't fully melt, but can you see how that is? Does that even show up in the video? You can see it's actually, looks like somebody took an ice cream scoop to it and pulled a bunch of it out. I mean, basically that's a meltdown, that's what that is. It's not a complete meltdown, it didn't go Chernobyl, but it melted it down, and that's from getting super red hot, and then that blows it through the exhaust system. So who knows what the rest of the exhaust looks like, because that stuff gets plugged up in the exhaust. Luckily, we're changing everything. We're changing the motor. We actually had another vehicle, so we're changing the motor, we're changing the cats, we're changing the whole full exhaust system, everything. So it's amazing what people can do to a car, but whatever. All right, if you got anything out of my channel, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's it for right now. Keep wrenching.